Hey guys, is pharmacy school worth it? I am in my second year. I'm going to go through the pros, the cons, and then I'll let you know if I personally think pharmacy school has been worth it. So the first pro is knowledge. You will gain with you some knowledge that nobody will be able to take away from you. You will have this knowledge for the rest of your life. Now you may forget some things, but you can always review. The second pro is value. You will be a value to the world. You will be able to save lives. And the third pro is you're gonna make money. Money, 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 money. Money. Now let's get into the cons. The first con is debt. Depending on your school, where you live, if you got scholarships, all may determine if you have a little bit or a lot of debt. Second con is time. This is time, 3 or 4 years that you will never get back. You're spending it in the classroom, you're spending it studying, you're spending it learning pharmacology. And the last con is stress. You are going to have a lot of stress. Nobody really likes stress. So those are the pros and the cons. I personally think pharmacy school is worth it. This is knowledge that we will have for the rest of our lives, and we will be of value inside the pharmacy and outside the pharmacy. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. You rock.